In this video, we will see how to transfer file from your DJI Action 6 to whatever you want. So, my absolute favorite way is to use the USB-C port on the side here, and I use a cable to my computer. Once it is connected, you should see that screen and you can select File, Transfer, and if it was already selected, it will select it automatically in the next 3 seconds. Once this is done, you will reach your computer screen and you should see two files, two connected devices. There is the Osmo Action because you can record directly into the camera, and there's the SD card. Personally, I record on the SD card, so you will find everything into DCIM, DJI 001, and all your files are here. So you can pick your file and transfer it to your computer just like that. The other method, this one will be to, if I disconnect it, you can open the other door and remove the SD card that is just right here. Put this into your computer. You might need an adapter, and this will be the same principle. Oh, about the cable. If you use a cheap cable, the transfer might be very, very slow. This is why I love this cable. I will leave you a link in the description if you want it. It's not cheap, but in every situation, if you need to fast charge, it does, and if you need to fast transfer, it does. So it's a no-brainer for me, and it's yellow, so you won't think it's another cable. It will be your only yellow cable. Then the other method, if you are a phone kind of guy, which as you can see, I'm not, you can use the, one moment please, while I unlock this, you can use the DJI Mimo app. So when you open it and your camera is open, it should be already connected because you have to connect it to activate the camera. You wait, you hit join, and you wait, and you wait, and this is why my favorite method is the computer. But you keep waiting, and there you are, you have access to your library. So if, for example, you want to download this video, I'm picking this one because it's a short one, then you can
Et là, naturellement, Pascal, le montant se trouve totalement ridicule avec cet exemple-là.
Okay, so you hit the download button over here, and this will download it to the phone. There's no compression. You're gonna have the full file on your phone. So it will be inside the DJI Mimo app. I have absolutely no idea how it works because I'm not using it. But you also have it directly into your photo app of your phone. As you can see, the video is just right here in the photo app. So I hope this was helpful.